it's time to record the work you've done on a task or ticket, you can create a timesheet or start and stop a work timer. First, make sure the details of the task or ticket are showing. If you have enough room, you can dock those details on the right. Here you'll see the Start Timer button. Click that, and OneDesk will start recording the time you're spending on the task. The task will start ticking away. You can pause the timer to take a break, or when you're done, click Stop. OneDesk will then pop up the Create Timesheet form, and you can just finish completing it by changing the % complete and clicking Submit. This creates a timesheet on the task and updates the work that's been performed, the number of timesheets, and the % complete. As well, you can do this starting and stopping of timer directly from your mobile application. Simply tap Start, tap Stop, and you will automatically record the work you spent on a particular task.